Let's begin today's meditation. Create a comfortable position for the body. Clear your space. And settle in. Closing the eyes. Together, let's take a cleansing breath. Breathe in deeply. And part your lips. An offering to let go. Do this again. Breathe in. Fill up the lungs completely and breathe out. Allow your exhalations to offer a softening into the body, a stillness in the mind. As you move deeper and deeper into each and every breath, notice some sensation of tension leave the body. Whether this is physical tension, somewhere in the body that you might be storing or holding resistance, letting it go. Perhaps you're holding on to an experience from your day. Create some distance from that. When it comes into mind's eye, exhale, clear it out. Perhaps there's an emotional tension. See if you can bring yourself into a neutral enough position that you start to feel a sensation of acceptance. Inviting the body to become deeply, deeply relaxed. Offering some space in the mind between your thoughts, between your feelings, in between any sensation that might arise, a cleansing breath to come back to neutral, to simply offer yourself a space to be okay. And sometimes simply being okay is all we can really ask of from ourselves. Being okay can be just enough. And once we let go of tension and resistance, wherever it might be found, you step into radical acceptance. When our minds and our hearts and our bodies can be at peace with the circumstances going on around us, we can experience joy, contentment, and happiness. Stay with your breath. Observe the full length of your inhale, how it fills up into your heart center and fills up into your abdomen. Simply receiving and letting go. Finding a gentle acceptance with sensation in your body, contentment in your heart center, okay with discomfort. Give yourself some space and some time to step into joy and peace. Do a gentle scan of your body. And through mind's eye, are you still holding on to anything that maybe is not serving you? Are you holding on to anything that's pulling you out of the sensation of acceptance, joy, and peace? And while there might still be gentle sensations of discomfort, try not to have them in the forefront of the mind. Let them be in the background. Pay attention to the steadiness of your breath. Remind yourself that in this moment, you are okay. Supported by your breath, supported by the earth beneath you, offering yourself deep and radical acceptance for some of the circumstances we might not be able to control. We can't always control the thoughts in the mind, the feelings in the body, the environment around us. But what we can control is choosing acceptance. We can choose to be okay. In those moments when we maybe catch ourselves feeling overwhelmed, tension arising, take a breath. Anchor yourself into deep acceptance. I am okay. This is all I need to be right now. Can I offer myself some space for joy and acceptance? Observe 5 more really good breaths. Deepen the inhale. Deepen your exhale. Start to wiggle fingers and toes, gently waking up your body without it feeling excessive or forced, just a simple allowing to come back into this space. Thank you so much for joining me today and recognizing the peace and joy within us all. Namaste.